Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the system is safe and the battery negative is off. This prevents shorts while you work. Once done, remove the drive belt and clutch assembly. Use the proper puller to avoid bending the hub. You should mark pulley orientation and take photos so reassembly is exact. Make sure to keep bolts in order and set the compressor on a clean bench, because cleanliness prevents contamination and makes the bearing swap straightforward. You now remove the snap ring and slide the pulley off. Use a puller for the bearing to avoid heat damage. Once the old bearing is out, clean the shaft and housing surfaces thoroughly. Dirt causes premature failure. Press the new bearing straight on with a driver that contacts the outer race only, so you don't damage it. After seating, reinstall the snap ring, verify smooth rotation and correct in play, and make sure seals are intact before proceeding. Reassemble by aligning the clutch and pulley in the exact orientation you noted. Torque fasteners to the manufacturer's spec so the assembly stays true. Once the belt and electrical connector are back on, have a certified shop evacuate and recharge the refrigerant. This preserves system life. Reconnect the battery, start the engine, and run the A/C. Listen for unusual noises and watch for oil or refrigerant leaks. If you hear grinding, stop immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.